Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing how to turn off sound in MT4 or MT5. Okay, so MetaTrader platforms use sound alerts for events such as trade execution or notifications. For example, here we go, right? Okay, so these sounds can be turned off if desired. Okay, the first step is to open your platform options. You go to tools and then you go to options. All right, and then the second step is to go to your events tab. You select the events tab to see all platform sound notifications. All right, now the third step is to disable sound. You can either uncheck enable, right, to disable sounds completely, or you can change individual sound files for specific events. For example, we can see this, you can see. So you can actually decide to, you can see, manually do this, right? You can actually decide to manually do this, or you can just completely disable, sounds. All right. Then once you're done with your modification, you can just click on OK to apply the changes. Okay. So a quick recap for you. To turn off sound in MT4 and MT5, you click on tools, you go to options, you head on to your events tab, disable your sound notifications, and then save the settings. All right. Super easy, super straightforward. Okay. So if you found any value in this video, do not forget to turn on your notifications, click on the like button, subscribe, and share this video with others who you feel are going to find it valuable as well. Okay. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.